Hey guys, how's it going? This is Pure Lou, Real Wheel Deal, and you're watching the T37 OG unboxing video coming right up. As of right now, T37 OG discontinued. You're probably watching maybe because they reintroduced them. So for the FK8, when that came out, they reintroduced the T37 OG. So I have a batch of them. And unfortunately, this is one of my last sets, just going out to my buddy, Stewie Lum. And after this, maybe I'll never get T37 OG again. So this video might only be for nostalgia, but hopefully if they come back in again, then you'll watch this video, you'll see exactly what you're getting when you buy a new set of TE37 OG Original Gangsta. So first thing you do is take a look at the outside of the box. This is 18-inch Japan Power. Have our insignias here. You gotta check around, make sure the tape's sealed, staples are still on, and no damage to the box, because that means the rims are probably not damaged. On this side, this is where all the details are. So we have our Rays big logo here, some batch numbers and shipping labels. But the big one I want to talk about is this one here, seal of authentication. So this is an authorized dealer of Rays. That means this wheel did not come from gray market. This deal did not come from a replica factory. This is an authorized seller wheel, and that means you have the support, you're supporting the main channels and you're supporting the dealers. So if you don't have that sticker, you gotta make sure who you're supporting. And of course, we have a very important spec sticker, Volk Racing T37. This is the OG sticker, 18-inch in diameter by 10-inch wide. And this is a 41 offset, 5x120, because I said this is a Civic Type R wheel, FK8. And this is our hub bore size, 72.6 millimeters. So if you gotta run hub rings and stuff, that'll tell you exactly the size of the hub bore of the wheel. And of course, this is our color. This is DV, this is diamond black. And here you have a picture of the sticker of the wheel. And here you see we also have our insignias on there, but clearly this is the iconic 6-spoke that we love. Okay, this is a brand new box. So you see you have the staples here. So you gotta remove the staples. And if you're buying your wheels from a shop, hopefully that these are already off, because that means they inspected the wheel, or probably you inspected it with them at the time when you went to go pick them up. Okay, so inside of here, the first thing I have are these 4 double-loaded cardboard barriers. This is to protect the face of the wheel. Next thing is this cardboard protection for the face. And of course here you have your official Rays Japan wheel condom, I would say. So you keep that, you can cover your pillow with it, and at night when you sleep, you can sleep on like an official Rays pillow if you want. And now the moment of truth. Holy shit, I'm horny. Damn, that's super nice. So first thing I want to grab out of here first is their documents. So official wheel documents are in here, so it comes in this nice bag. I'm gonna open it up, I'm gonna show you guys what's in here. So first thing is mostly for me, not really for you guys. It just tells you to put this nice little R+ tag in a valve hole if I'm displaying it at the shop, which I always do, so of course I do that. We also have this aluminum wheels user's manual, this red booklet. So it says to retailers and customers, please read this for your own safety. So in there it has a lot of details about fitting, before fitting, attaching your air valves. Also after wheels are fitted, exactly what kind of regular inspections you have to do. If it comes with center caps, you need to learn how to install them as well. So kind of this is your initial guide of how to care for these wheels. And this is the English side. The other booklet we have here is your Rays warranty policy. So for customers, you have to fill out the enclosed warranty booklet, which warranties your Volk or Rays racing wheels, and you have it all there, your Rays warranty card, both in JDM and English. The next thing you want to check for is your valve stem. So in here I have the valve stem right inside of this. And as you see, it's BL2. That's because this is a blue valve stem. All T37 OGs come with a blue valve stem, a trademark of Volk. So you're buying OG, make sure it's blue. If it's not blue, somebody swapped it out in there, all right? All right, so unbox the valve stems. You can see here it's in a bag, blue. It has all rubber seals. I can tell this is authentic. On the end here, it has Rays stamped on the end of the valve cap there. So definitely make sure yours is unused, brand new, and definitely an official Volk valve stem and nobody swapped it out on you. Now we're gonna pull out the wheel. So now I took the wheel out of the box. First thing I like to inspect is the face. And one thing you're gonna notice for the T37 OG, the spoke stickers are already placed. That's with every T37 OG. So this one says Volk Racing Wheel, Rays Engineering. So that's officially put on, exactly spaced, exactly set. So if you're replacing those wheels, it's good to mark where the old one was when you put the new one on, because sometimes if a sticker's off, I don't know if it's an original one. And right away I inspect the face. So first I look for is around the outside lip here. I make sure nothing's D-shaped. I make sure no paint cracks or anywhere during shipping. If it gets chipped or it gets hit on the box, that's where you're gonna lose some paint on the edge here. So this one looks great. I look on the spokes. I touch all the spokes here. I make sure that there's no loose metal shavings or there wasn't any imperfection in the paint, but that really happens with Volk. Inside here, the hub, I make sure it's machined out really well as well. So that's perfect there. Now we turn our attention to the back. And the back, I double check all the machining here. You know, make sure it's really smooth. The main part is this hub here. If there's loose metal there, it's not gonna mount properly against the hub of the car. But here it looks like it's perfectly cut. And you'll see that they had masked it off during manufacturing. So that stops the paint from there. So that ensures that your fit on the hub is perfect. And of course down here, we have our raised stickers. So you gotta make sure you have all of them. Danger sticker, so it tells you that it cannot fit on very certain vehicles. Our spec sticker, so spec sticker is very important. You want to make sure you have that spec sticker on there. 2019, May 14th, that's when this wheel was forged. VRT37, and I have of course the size 18 by 10 plus 41 offset 5 by 120. It has a QR code on there now, which is probably what the old OGs didn't have. And of course we have our JS certification and our JWL Plus R Spec 2 by Raze, which is their very stringent extra testing that Raze does. Alright, so that concludes my T37 OG unboxing video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And you know, this is the last of the last. T30 has been discontinued. So this is one of my last ones, so I definitely had to do a video on its way out. You never know, you know, Volk Racing might bring it back into production, and if they do, they're gonna come back, watch this video, know exactly what you're getting in a T37 OG when you unbox a brand new set of them, and that you can validate that yours is a real set and a real deal. But you know, if you don't come back, this is a great video to serve, you know, for nostalgia and kind of give a tribute to what happens when you buy the iconic T37 OG, you know, one of the most game-changing wheels in the world, biggest aftermarket, most popular heavy hitter wheel that we've seen. Thanks. Subscribe, comment below, and keep learning about the new wheels.